Welcome to Slow English Podcast with Leo and Anna. Today, my worst date ever. Just relax and listen. I want to tell you something about my worst first date.
Your worst date.
Yes, my worst date ever. I still remember it very clearly. Even now, I can remember every small detail. The place, the time, and how I felt.
Was it really that bad?
Yes, it was very bad. Not just bad, but very uncomfortable. I felt tired, confused, and a little sad. I met this guy online. We talked for a few days. Every day we sent messages. In the morning, in the evening, sometimes late at night. He looked kind. He sounded nice. He said many good things. He asked me questions. He listened to my answers. So I felt a little safe.
That sounds good.
Yes, so I felt a little happy, but also a little nervous. You know, first dates are always like that. You feel excited, but also worried. You think about many things. What should I wear? What should I say?
Yes, a mix of feelings.
On that day, I chose my clothes carefully. I looked in the mirror many times. I changed my shirt 2 times, then 3 times. I wanted to look nice. Not too much, just simple and clean. I also checked the time again and again. I did not want to be late.
You prepared a lot.
Yes, I even came early. I arrived 10 minutes early. I sat at the cafe and waited. The cafe was quiet. Soft music was playing. People were talking very slowly. I looked at the door again and again. I also checked my phone. 5 minutes passed, then 10 minutes, then 20 minutes. I started to feel worried. I looked at the time again. I thought, maybe he will not come. Maybe he forgot. Maybe he changed his mind.
Did he text you?
No, nothing. No message, no call, just silence. After 30 minutes, he finally came.
That's very late.
Yes, and I already felt a little tired. My excitement was gone. I was not happy anymore. But I still tried to stay calm. But the worst part is, he did not say sorry.
Oh no, that's not good.
He just sat down. No smile, no eye contact. He looked tired and a little bored. Then he took out his phone. He started looking at it. He did not look at me.
That's very rude.
Yes, I felt strange. I did not feel comfortable, but I still tried to be nice. I told myself, maybe he is just tired. Maybe he had a bad day. I smiled and started talking. I asked simple questions. Where do you work? What do you like? What do you do on weekends? Do you like coffee? But his answers were very short. Very, very short.
Like one word?
Yes. Yes, no, maybe. Sometimes he just nodded. Sometimes he did not answer. I did not know what to say. The silence was long, very long. I looked around the cafe. I listened to other people. I felt more and more uncomfortable.
That feels uncomfortable.
Yes. Uncomfortable means you don't feel relaxed. You don't feel happy. You feel stuck. You want to leave. Then something even worse happened.
Oh no,
He started talking about his ex.
that's not good.
He talked for a long time. He did not stop. He did not ask me anything. He only talked about her. He said, "She was perfect. She understood me. She was very kind. I miss her." He smiled when he talked about her, but he did not smile at me. I just sat there and listened. I felt very small. I felt like I was not there, like I was invisible.
That's a bad feeling.
Yes, a very bad feeling. I felt tired inside. Then the waiter came. The bill was on the table. He looked at the bill, then he looked at me, and he said, "Can you pay?"
No way.
Yes. He said he forgot his wallet.
Of course.
I didn't know what to do. I felt tired and a little sad. I did not want to fight. I did not want to argue. So I paid. I smiled, but it was not real. My smile was fake. Inside, I just wanted to go home. I wanted to leave as fast as possible.
Did you see him again?
No, never. After that day, I never talked to him again. I deleted his number. I deleted the chat.
What did you learn?
I learned something important. Very simple, but very important. If someone makes you feel small, if someone makes you feel bad, if someone does not respect you, you can leave. You don't need to stay. You don't need to be polite all the time. You don't need to say yes. Yes.
You deserve respect. Respect means people treat you well. People listen to you. People care about you.
I think many people forget this. They try too hard to be nice.
Yes. But now you remember.
Okay, now let's practice some simple sentences.
I deserve respect. I deserve respect. I can leave any time. I can leave any time. I listen to my feelings. I listen to my feelings. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say no.
Thank you for listening.
Take your time. Learn slowly.
See you next time.